Hello everyone, this is Ethan, and today we're going to be making liege waffles. So, my mom and my sister had made this liege waffles, and I'm just here to dub. And these are the ingredients you need. Open the head, get the flour and pour it in. The original recipe called for bread flour 200 grams and all-purpose flour 240 grams, but we just put in 440 grams of bread flour. Next, get 8 grams of salt, then put in 12 grams of dry yeast. Now put in 45 grams of sugar. Isn't my sister doing a good job? Finally, pour in 260 grams of milk. Make sure you don't spill it. Turn on the stand mixer and wait for the batter to become doughy. Then we'll put in the butter. Now that the dough is ready, it's time to put in the butter. You need 80 grams of it. Turn down the head and turn on the mixer. Keep mixing for 10 to 15 minutes. Look at my sister, curiously watching the dough. My sister is waiting for this to be done. Now that it's done, lift the head to remove the dough. My sister touches it curiously. I cannot believe this dough can become a delicious piece of waffle. I am sure that my sister is thinking the same thing. Take off the bowl and flip it upside down to remove the dough. Hey look, it's my mom! My sister starts playing with the dough. Separate 83 grams of the dough and you can make 10 waffle doughs. After you make 10 chunks of the dough, make all of them into a ball, like so. My mom makes the dough into a spherical shape, and then my sister makes them into a final ball. They are such a fine team. Time for some waffle therapy. My sister's practicing how to use her left hand by smushing the dough. Tap, tap, and a tap. Tap, tap, and some more tap. Tap, 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 tap. This was therapy with my mom. Now that the 10 are ready, cover them with a plastic wrap. Wait until the dough looks like a burger bun, or just wait 1 to 2 hours. It's time to make the waffles. Open the waffle maker. Carefully place the dough into the waffle maker. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Close the lid and wait 3 minutes and 40 seconds. The first batch of waffles is ready. They look delicious, but they're hot, so be careful. The next batch is ready. Do the same with this one. Yum, it looks delicious. We got a bonus segment coming up. Place the waffle on a fancy dish. Then put in some red bean paste. Make sure it looks fancy. To make it more fancy and delicious, sprinkle in some bean powder. Then put in any nut of your choice. We put pistachio and almonds. Pistachio is my personal favorite. You can put in a little or a lot. We chose a lot. Enjoy your queen's dessert. Thanks for watching. Bye.